in a universe that's inherently meaningless is, when you look at nihilism, nihilism postulates that the universe has no inherent or intrinsic meaning.
Your incarnated pastime. And
what exactly causes bipolar? There's a whole dichotomic school of thought.
Yeah, I feel like I
Tickle your hair.
Really? A lot.
But it's sort of non-linear and unorthodox and not in the linear's media depiction.
We call it alchemy, transmutate, convert. Because of a sarcastic statement. It's literal, but from a cognitive neuroscientific perspective, the brain into
It doesn't treat the semantics of words.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
trajectory that occurs.
Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.